Hello everyone, welcome back to SGM Creations and Tutorials. Guys, this is a Lenten season candle table centerpiece. This one is just a simple candle, just a plain white color, look at this. And this is decorated with the sachet or envelopes of the tea bags from the Kamille Tea. Look at this. This is the sachet or the envelope of the Kamille Teas. Look at this. I just collected the envelope or the sachet from the Kamille Tea, and I just cut out from this portion like this. Remove the Kamille, the word Kamille, and I retain this portion. Look at this. And I cut out this side, both side, and I fix it here. So I collected 15 pieces of this tea sachet or envelopes from the tea bags, and this is the box from the Kamille Tea. I collected it and I decorated in this simple candle. This candle is just like a pillar, look at this. And after I decorated all over the body of the candle, I decorate with the crystallized around on the top and on the bottom of the candle, and now it looks like this. And I place in the serving plate and decorate with purple flowers, symbolizes the color for the Lenten season. So guys, this is one way of recycling your waste at home. This is best out from waste. Look at this. This is the result from the sachet or envelopes from the tea bags, and now I utilize to decorate with my candle. And now this is now the transformation of the candle. Look at here, I will show you. So look here, this is the transformation. So you can create also your own design. You can recycle your tea bags sachet from your teas at home, and you can create like this. Look at this. So I hope guys you'll get an idea on how to recycle your waste at home in order to minimize your garbage and keep our environment clean and save the Mother Earth from pollution. So if you like this tutorial, just give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, give a comment, share this video, and subscribe to my channel so that you will learn how to recycle and create different projects for your home decoration, home organizers, home organizer, home decoration, and many things, and fashion accessories. So just check my playlist, SGM Creations and Tutorials, or Best Out of Waste. So you can find all my creations and video tutorials on how to transform the waste materials into a beautiful project like this. So thank you for watching guys, and supporting for SGM Creations and Tutorial. And don't forget to subscribe So happy Lenten season to everyone. So if you're doing nothing, try to start recycling your waste materials in order to minimize your garbage and create a simple but unique DIY home decoration so that you will learn day by day how to recycle and create different projects. So this is now the transformation